Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can create a Google document. It's easy, just going to open the Google Chrome and select the grid icon in the top right corner. So you can swipe up and select the docs. You can select the blank or start a new document and just start to edit. You can change the title of the document, or for second one you can go to Google Drive and tap on new and select Google Docs. So you can start for editing, just like Microsoft Word. So see, okay, it's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.